My name is Deb Echohawk, serving out of the Pawnee Nation of Oklahoma. Mint is a beautiful plant to use, especially with the cold and flu seasons that come up. It can fight off mucus that builds up. You just simply put it in your water and let it seep up to a couple days. And then we like to add other fresh ingredients, fruit and vegetables to make it flavorful. Lime juice is good, and add your vitamin C. You have your cucumber in there. We like to mix it up with vegetables, the kind that will replenish the need to get dehydrated. Elders and most people in general need to drink lots of water. More water than you think. So here's to you. I don't think I'll save any of this for y'all.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyiki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Toragoon.
Today we're making berry crisp. For this recipe you will need 3 cups of strawberries, halved or quartered, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of quick cooking oats, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, this is optional, 1/4 cup of melted butter. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, combine berries and cornstarch. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and are available fresh, frozen, or dried. When choosing fresh berries, pick ones that are firm with a natural shine, red in color, and bright green stems. Store strawberries unwashed and with the stems for best flavor and texture. Pour berry mixture into an 8x8 square nonstick pan. In a small bowl, combine oats, flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon if using. Add melted butter and mix well. The Otoe word for strawberries is hosje. Indigenous peoples of North and South America enjoyed strawberries for hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. Wild strawberries are smaller and sweeter than berries found in most grocery stores today. Traditionally, time was connected to and based on nature's cycles. For Native American tribes in the eastern part of the continent, June is known as the strawberry moon, because strawberries start to ripen during that moon cycle. The Wampanoag and other tribes still hold celebrations and powwows in honor of the strawberry moon. Spread oat mixture on top of berries. Change it up. Any type of fresh or frozen berry or berry blend can be used, as well as many other fruits like apples, cherries, or peaches. Bake for 40 minutes or until topping is golden and berries are bubbly. This recipe makes 6 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Serve warm with vanilla yogurt or low-fat vanilla ice cream for an even sweeter treat. Enjoy!